Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to make this carved cabinet doors by this 3-axis CNC router. Okay, let's see this machine. This machine got 2,400 millimeter long staple by 1,300 millimeter width. And on this table, it got 6 different sections. This is section A, section B, C, D, E, F. Totally 6 different working sections. And if you want to close and you want to use different sections, you can use a switch. Okay, by open this switch, you will start the section A. And also B, C, D, E, F. If you want to close certain section of table, you can close it, just switch off it. Okay, let's see the spindle of this machine. It uses a 70.5 kilowatt spindle motor. And it's equal to 10.1 horsepower. This is a wind cooling spindle. The wind cooling spindle is more durable than the water cooling spindle. The water cooling spindle rely on too much on the water circulation system and the purifier of the water, too much conditions. Compared to the water cooling spindle, the wind cooling spindle is more durable and stable when we use it. Here is the 2 changer units, and you can put 12 pieces of different router bits. And this is the automatic tool setting instrument. When you change a new router bits, the machine will automatically setting the tools here. The data of the tools will transfer from this instrument to the control system. Okay, this is the automatic lubrication system, and this is 2 changing sets. This is very convenient when you change new tools.